Hello student. Today I will discuss with you about group discussion and the definition of group discussions. So, first of all, what is group discussion? A situation in which oral communication takes place between a small number of professionals regarding some business problem. The purpose of the discussion is to exchange information on the subject to elicit the views of all the participants. So, it can be said that the group discussion is the process of oral communication. It is adopted in business organizations to arrive at a consensus decision. And the next is what is a group. So, before discussing about group discussions, first of all, what is group? Group is a formal or informal organization. It is formed to find solutions of a problem. There are four types of groups. First is formal group formed in an organization as per the plan and requirement. So according to plan and requirement, when you form something or some group, this is called formal group. In an organization you form that. Next is informal groups. These groups are formed to satisfy the needs of the member. So what members want in an organization, this is formed for that informal groups. The next is core groups. Core groups are formed to discuss specific issues in an organization. And the fourth one is secondary group. Secondary groups consist of a large members. They are designed so that personal interaction can take place between different members of the group. And the next is the process of group discussion. So there is not very much organized way of system in group discussion. You can't structure it very well. So any person is free to initiate discussion. Any person is free to start discussion, free to discuss any aspect of the problem. The members can free to discuss any aspect of the problem, can interpret in their own way, and no detailed agenda is there. No detailed agenda is there in group discussion. Group discussions are not well organized. So they are not very well organized. There is no chairperson or secretary which is who is above you. So only the topic of discussion or the problem is stated. Only this much is stated to the group. And the next is the purpose of group discussion. So what is the purpose of group discussion? Why we form that? Why we form groups? Group discussion serves many purposes, and the first is increase participants level of understanding. Group discussions enables the participant to increase their level of understanding. He or she has to grasp quickly what others says and respond accordingly. And the next is exchange of ideas. So it provides a golden opportunity for exchange of information and ideas. Different participants present their point of view about a given topic. They share informations and ideas. They learn many new things from others. And the next is generate new idea. So one participant in group discussion express their opinions, give comments, make suggestions, new ideas may be generated. These ideas may prove to be beneficial for the growth of an organization. Arrives at mutual decision. So it is very much impossible sometimes to reach at a mutual decision. So the main purpose of group discussion is to discuss a problem in order to arrive at a consensus decision. And the next one is solve problem. It is also very beneficial and an effective tool for solving problems. Members of the group freely exchange their ideas and try to solve the problem. So this is the purpose of group discussion. And now the important things in any group discussion. So what are the main thing in any group discussion? First is the planning. You have to plan something, and you have to plan group discussion on which topic you are deciding group discussion, and the date, venue, location, time has to be decided in advance. So planning is very important for group discussion. It is important to give information to the participant regarding that. Agendas of discussion has to be prepared in advance. So next is the purpose. What is the purpose of group discussion? It should be very clear to the members, to all the members. And participations. It is very much important that each member has to participate in a significant way in group discussion, and role of the leader must be there. It is the leader who starts the discussion. His role is very crucial in group discussion. So what are the advantages of group discussion? It is very beneficial for an organization to have group discussions. So it is very much helpful in decision making. Group discussion is helpful in decision making when various participants apply their mind and discuss various aspects of the problem. Their joint effort is helpful in taking appropriate decisions. So the next one is highlights leadership qualities. It highlights the leadership qualities in the participants of group can judge the participants. So the abilities, the behavior, and the things, the qualities of participants can be very much judged by the leader or by the authorities. Opportunity to show communication skills. In a group discussion, the participants gets an opportunity to show his communication skills and group behavior. Moreover, he also learns certain techniques and strategies by way of observing the behavior of other participants. Creative way of problem solving. So it can enhance creativity in the members of an organizations. So it enhance the creative way of problem solving. And group discussions, the atmosphere in group discussion is very much relaxed. It serves as a support to the creative potentials of the participants. His personality traits also come to the fore. So it is very much creative way of problem solving. So this is all about group discussion. In next lectures, we will discuss something about how something about the steps to be taken for effective group discussions and the criteria for evaluation. Till then, thank you very much.